Hey everybody, how are you? Today I'm gonna just make the fast version of this cute crow, perfect for harvest festivals or even Halloween. I'm just gonna change the color. Instead of a black to 60, I'm gonna do it with this gray so you can see all the twisting part. And you're gonna inflate, supposed to be black, okay? Inflated approximately 7-finger tail. So let's start with this one. And you're gonna make something like 4-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, and 4-finger bubble, and twist it together. Then you're gonna make a slightly longer, so 5-finger bubble, another 1-finger bubble, and 5-finger bubble, and twist it together. Now from here, if you don't want this to get and twist, you can pass your balloon through one of the loops, or you can just be holding it until it's one more balloon is gonna kind of like secure all this. That is going to be the beak. But in the meanwhile, you can all make a pinch twist on this side and also there in a moment. You just squish, stretch, pass it around, giving some pressure, okay, and wrap it around. So you are just doing a loop, and this, where is the pinch twist, is the front, and these are the wings, each of those. So this balloon is gonna end up here in the middle as the chest. So now here I'm just gonna make a pinch twist, make the chest, and twist. Now all this is gonna be the tail. So just 4-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, and then 4-finger bubble. And you twist it together. Now this is something very cool because if you have some leftover in the back, it can help to kind of like, this is the back, and you have this leftover. You can kind of like squish it in between, only so then, you know, it can expand a little bit to the side more the wings. And it's not necessary, but just in case you can do it, okay? And this can be soft and squishable. It doesn't have to be that big, strong, big bubble. No, something like that. And with the rest, I just loosen the air and wrap it around, and that is securing also that front, okay? And always this can help if you want to kind of have more stable the head. But so you have something like this. It looks crazy, but this is the front where is the pinch twist, and this is the tail that if you want, you can make pinch twist and pinch twist in these bubbles. All depends if you have time, right? If you feel like, yeah, you want to do it. Look, this is just one way to make the tail, but it can be just only a loop if you want to be fast, okay? And so this is the back, this is the belly, and now you just grab what is going to be the beak and feet. So this is black, but you can use it with yellow or orange or golden rose for the beak. I'm just gonna make this crow with a black beak. So you just attach it in that pinch twist, and then you just pass it, you know, the beak is slightly longer. I think it looks better. So that is, look, if this is slightly longer than this bubble here, what is gonna happen is that it's gonna feel comfortable as you go to the side. So it's gonna be kind of looking to the side. For pictures, looks great. So then it's slightly longer, and then twist and squish around, pulling. So it's gonna fit perfect there. And then you just in the back squish the air. Don't pull too much because you don't want, you know, to pull in the neck and the head all the way looking up. Just squish in the air, hiding it, passing in between this connection here, the pinch twist, the tail. And that pinch twist is gonna be in the back and in the front, just 2 little pinch twists that represents the feet. So 1 and 1 more. Now with all the leftover, you just gonna lose the air, just wrap it around here, and so then you have 3 pinch twists, 2 black, 1 gray in this case, and right there is where it's gonna be the bracelet part. So all this air, you just make a little hole, lose the air, pull, and create a bracelet with this, which is kind of fun, right? So far it's only 2 balloons right now. Unless And there is one extra detail that you can always grab and scrap, because with this part left over, I like to attach it as a bracelet. And so that's gonna be the bracelet part. And look, now here, the extra scrap can be for the feathers here, and this just 3 pinch twists, the same color of what is the body of this crow. So for this occasion is gray. 3 little pinch twists gray, then just pop, so that's what it's just a scrap. And you have here this tip to attach it to this pinch twist on top. So just pass it around. And you have something like this. Look, it kind of look cute, silly, love it. So now for eyes, you just attach or draw the eyes here, because this is great. If I do Sharpie time, you're gonna be able to see it, but I think it's fun if you have those sticker eyes. It can be also fast. And just grab any sticker eyes. I like these ones that have some shadows, and just attach it to the sides right there. You can add more details, but this is the idea. I hope you like it. I hope you understood. Now imagine it with black, it's gonna look even better. And black for the body, and then for the beak and feet can be yellow, orange, or golden rod. Tell me, what do you think? Bye bye.